Hi everyone, welcome to Excel trick. Today we're doing a new trick. In this we will see how to convert decimals hours into time and the time into the decimals and how to convert the minutes into time. So for this we are starting with the how to convert the decimals. So for converting the decimal time we need to write let's suppose this is right at the 11.50, that means 11 hours and 50 that so for this I'm writing here the formula this divided by 24 because we have a 24 hours in a day. So now you can see here 11:30. Correct answer because 11:50 means is a 11:30. Then convert a time to a decimal. For this same we are using this formula, but what we will do, we will write equal sign, then multiply into 24. In the first we are dividing, here we are multiplying with this. Now you can see here this is showing the 12. Now you need to convert this into the number. So if you convert into the number, you have to click control shift control plus shift then tilde sign. What is a tilde sign? Tilde sign is this sign. So if you click on this, they will be convert your time format into the normal number format. Then next is the minutes, how to convert the minutes into the time. So let's suppose it's showing the 90 minutes. 90 minutes is showing from the 12 o'clock after the 90 minutes have been passed. So how we will convert it? For this I'm using multiple function here. First I'm using the time function. In the time function I'm using init. Init function is very important function and very easy function for converting the numbers into time. We are using basically this. So I'm writing this in init and divide by 60. So what they will be convert, they will be convert this number into the uh, divide by 16. So they will be give the integer number, they will be give the round off number. Then I'm writing the mod mode. Then in the mode I'm selecting this my time comma, then divisor will be a 60 because 60 minutes in the 1 minute. Okay, so for this sorry 60 we have a 60 minutes, okay, in a hour. Then comma, then for the seconds I'm giving the 0, then close the bracket, then enter. Now you can see here it's showing the 1 hour 30 minutes am. Okay, so if I'm changing this 120, so it's showing the 2 am. So it's starting from the 0. So if 0 is a 1 12 am, and if I'm giving 60 is a 1 am. So this is how we are converting the decimals hours into convert to time, then time to decimals, then how to minutes we will convert into the time. Thank you guys.